Sorry that last video got interrupted. We do have a couple more things to finish up on this. So we were supposed to be finding arc WX next. I think I finished explaining arc WMX. So arc WX, 2 letters, minor arc, and it's already labeled for us, so it's pretty quick, 84 degrees. That's the beauty of labeling the crap out of your picture. Then we have arc DWY. I see 3 letters, so it's either a major arc or a semicircle. When I go find it, I'm going to start at D. I'm going to head the short way to Y. Sorry, that's the letter W. And then not finish until I get to Y. So those are a bunch of adjacent arcs. You can add 56 plus 84 plus 96 plus 84. Or you could say, hey, look, I just went the whole circle except not 40. So you could do 360 minus 40. Either way, you should still get the answer of 320 degrees. Then you have angle, YCD. When I first did this, I ignored the symbol of an angle, and I'm going around like, Y, I need to head to C. Where's C? Where's C? C is the center of the circle because this is an angle. C is the corner of that angle. We are supposed to find the measure of angle YCD, and that's already labeled for us. It was a 40-degree angle. And then the last one is another angle, MCW. And again, our picture is labeled, so it's pretty quick to figure out that is a 96-degree obtuse angle. The last one we're going to do today is just an application type problem where we have this circle, we have a bunch of angles around the center. We could have just as easily labeled the arcs around the outside. No matter what, though, it's going to sum to 360, and that's your only option. You don't have any straight lines, you don't have any diameters, so you don't have vertical angles. You don't have any right angles. We don't have anything else except to rely on the fact that if we added them all together, it equals 360. Again, you should be filling out your notes. You're probably going to need to push pause to write that whole equation out. Because I'm going to go ahead and move on and say we need to combine like terms. When I add the x and the 9x, I get 10x. And when I add the 78, the 84, 69, 79, I got 310. So then to finish solving, I'm going to use my subtraction property of equality to get 50. I'm going to use division property of equality to get 5. We now know that x is 5. We are supposed to use that to find the measure of arc US. Now there are 2 letters. It has to be a minor arc, so you can't go the long way around. It's not this arc. It's the short way from U to S, so it's just what we're going to get when we combine x plus 84 with 69. Since we know x is 5, we're just going to do 5 plus 84 plus 69, and I get the final answer that the measure of arc US is 158 degrees. Tomorrow we're going to keep talking about arcs, but it's not going to only be talking about the degree amount, so make sure you're practicing this stuff so that you're able to have a coherent conversation about it tomorrow. So you have 2 IXLs, both to 80 points, LU1, LU2. I should have locked down your Chromebook already in order to find those. But yeah, that's what I expect to be done when I come in tomorrow. It is not due in a week. It is due tomorrow because you have the rest of this hour. Be nice to the sub, be diligent, help each other out, but do what I expect you to do.